Hello, so I want to know, how smart is your smartphone? Now that may be an odd rhetorical type question, but how many of you use your smartphone to its fullest? Web browsing, text messages, emails, calls and the odd photo aside, that's basic fundamentals of a smartphone. Now I know you're going to get a different experience on different devices, but how do you expand the scope of your smartphone to make it really smart, really intelligent, really powerful and really useful to yourself? Now, I work with smartphones on a daily basis, and I'll admit that I've yet to get this really powerful setup. Now, a lot of that comes down to time and investment by myself, making my smartphone do the things that I want it to do. But we're starting to get to that stage where it's becoming easier and easier. So I literally do pretty much everything from my device. It's quite rare for me to actually go to my desktop PC, although I have one, to actually do any web browsing. It's through my phone. Emails, majority done through the phone. I use it to control my audio system at home, so I leave my desktop computer switched on where most of my music files are stored, but I access them from my phone. I control the audio in my house from my phone. But that's only one thing that I've really got set up in a really smart manner. Yet with the Xperia S here, I can start to use the NFC tags, and there are some benefits to that. There are some drawbacks as well about the flexibility, but it's starting to become even more powerful. Now I share content through the HD connection on here, so I think I'm starting to use some of the really things that make the device smart. But I know I've got a long way to go to make it even smarter. I could use this potentially to control my television as a remote. Maybe my thermostat at home, we're starting to see more intelligent systems like that. So are you doing anything completely revolutionary with your device to make it really smart? Tell me about it, because it'd be interesting to see how different people are doing different things with their phones to really maximise the capability of the device. And it's quite unbelievable what we can do with one piece of equipment. If you spent £500 on a phone, you could potentially save yourself hundreds of pounds a year because you might not need a desktop computer anymore. You might be managing things better from your phone, so saving you time, saving you money because you've become more efficient. So how do you do it? I'd love to know. Leave a comment below and we'll get some good discussion going. Thanks for watching.